Yeah, that's done. You're done. You're done. Cops is coming. Cops is coming.
Yeah, I think he's done.
Please, call the police now. Look, Dan, your wheels are not spinning anywhere.
You're caught, you asshole!
Did you call?
It's calling. It's going to your number. I don't know the number.
You want me to get? You want me to get you a shovel? I get you a shovel.
He's right at my door.
It's front wheel drive. You need to get the other.
5244 Churchill Meadows Boulevard, Mississauga.
It's front wheel drive. You need to get the wheels on the ground.
Seriously, he's gonna take a sip of water right now?
Who knows?